Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using two tools at the same time. Of course, I'm going to use strategy based on technical analysis, and to help this technical analysis I'm going to use Parabolic SAR Indicator and Awesome Indicator. Let's try to look for working situations on the market and of course to earn on them. Guys, I really advise to watch this video till the end because it's going to be very interesting and very useful for you. Perhaps you like this method and you would like to apply it on your own trading. Guys, today I'm going to start with $92 on my deposit, and I will try to increase this amount to 13,000. Let's see what happens, and let's finally search for the first situation on the market. Here the price was moving on an uptrend. At the same time, the new price maximum turned out to be lower than the previous one, and at the moment the price is in the correction. At the same time, as you can see, the dotted line of the parabolic is located above the graph. In such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes down, guys, because we see that on the oscillator the histograms cross the zero level from top to bottom. All this tells us that the price has a good potential to go down, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. Maybe here we'll have a price reversal, and now the price will move on a downtrend. Right now we see an impulsive red candle on the chart. In this situation, I have taken the time, take into account the price may roll back up or fall into the pro trading zone, guys. And so let's wait for the result. Well, great, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move down. We have earned money here. And as you can see, the indicator also gave us a really good entry point. 2 minutes in this situation was perfect in this case. So guys, let's continue find another situation in the market. Here we have a confident downtrend. At the same time, at the moment, the price is making a rebound from the support level and going up. As you can see, the dotted line of the parabolic is located under the graph. Therefore, in such situation, I will open a deal up. Because as you can see, the new histogram columns are green and longer. At the same time, as you can see earlier, there was a price consolidation near the support level. There is some kind of pro trading, and then there was an upward rebound and the price began to move up. Also, as you can see, there is enough space on the chart until the last price maximum. All this tells us that the price has a good potential to go up, and it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up along the upward movement. Right now we already have an impulsive green candle on the chart. Also, in this situation we took 2 minutes, take into account the price may fall into the pro trading zone or a pullback will happen. So guys, let's just watch the chart and wait for the result. Alright guys, just look at this. As you can see, the price continued to move up. Here I get a really good profit. The indicators didn't let us down again and suggested us a really good entry point. We have also chosen the right time for the transaction, and I think everything going great. Let's continue, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move up here. Therefore, the dotted line of the parabolic is also located under the graph. In such situation, as just opening a deal for 3 minutes up, because also on the oscillator the histogram is located above zero and the new peak is higher than the previous one. There is the indicators tells us that the price has a good potential to go up. As you can see, guys, we still have enough space left before the next price high. The price has a lot to grow. At the same time, the price also moves up quite impulsively and mainly with green candles, while the pullbacks on the chart are quite small. I think it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up on an uptrend. And in this situation, guys, I took 3 minutes since the price has already shown good growth, and now the price can roll back down or the price will hit the sideways. Taking into account such possible movements, that's why we took 3 minutes, guys. So let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, great guys, as you can see, there is a downward pullback on the chart, but then the price continues to move up. At the same time, the candles on the chart have become much shorter. However, our deal closed above the entry point and we made a profit on this deal, guys. 3 minutes in this situation was just perfect for us, and so I propose that we continue, guys. Here we have a good confident uptrend. I have marked a trend line for the main price lows on the chart. As you can see, as a rule, the price touches the line and then makes a strong bounce up. The price touched the trend line last time and is now moving up. In this case, the points of the parabolic appear under the graph. That's why I'm opening a deal here up, since the new columns of the histogram are located above zero. They are green and longer, that is, the indicators tells us that the price has a good potential to go up. Also, if we look at the latest price high, then there is still a sufficient distance to it, guys. At the same time, as you can see, hitting the trend line, the price usually shows a good bounce up. Therefore, I think it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up on an uptrend. In this situation, we also took 2 minutes to spare, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, great guys, as you can see, the price is showing a good growth. The chart goes well above the previous high. Here I got steady profit, guys. As you can see, the trend line has once again worked itself out, and we were able to earn on the rebound from it. Also, 2 minutes in this situation was just perfect for us, guys. As you can see, the indicators once again gave us a good entry point and helped us earn money. Meanwhile, our deposit has already increased more than 10 times. This is a great result, so guys, let's continue. Here the price again made an impulsive bounce up from the trend line. At the same time, the price is currently in correction, and the new point of the parabolic indicator is located above the chart. That's why I'm opening a deal down, because also, as you can see on the oscillator, the histogram crossed the zero level from top to bottom. That is, the indicators tells us about the upcoming price reduction. Also, as you can see, last time after an impulsive rebound from the trend line, the price made a good pullback down and then continued to grow. And this hasn't happened recently on the chart as such. Therefore, I think that such a rollback will happen in the near future. That's exactly what we are going to try to make money on, guys. For this situation, I also took 2 minutes to spare, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price continued to decrease slightly. Our deal closed below the entry point, and of course we earned on this deal, guys. Here we have earned on a small pullback of the price down, and as you can see, the indicators again helped us to find a good entry point. So guys, let's continue. So as you can see here, the price was moving on a downtrend. Next, we observed some kind of pro trading near the support level, and then the price rebounds upwards from this level. And in such situation, I suggest opening a deal for 3 minutes up, because as you can see, the dotted line of the parabolic is located under the graph, and also the new histogram columns are green and longer. At the same time, as you can see, a long distance remains from our entry point to the area from where the price began to fall last time. At the same time, we also observed a certain attenuation near the support level, and then the price made an impulsive bounce up and began to move mainly with green candles. All this indicates that the price has a good potential to increase, and it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up along the upward movement. So guys, in this situation, I took the time of 3 minutes since the candles on the chart have been quite short lately. Also take into account that the price may fall into the pro trading zone or the price will roll back down. With all of this in mind, that's why I took 3 minutes, guys. And so let's watch the chart and wait for the result, guys. Well, that's great. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and here we got really good and steady profit. Also, 3 minutes was perfect enough for us, guys. Also, the indicators here suggested a good entry point and helped us to earn, guys. So let's continue. As you can see, the price was moving on an uptrend here. At the same time, we also see that the price moved downwards from the resistance level. Here, I immediately suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes down, guys, because as you can see, the new histogram columns are red and longer. At the same time, the histogram is located below zero. Also, the dotted line of the parabolic is located above the graph. These indicators tells us that the price has a good potential to go down. At the same time, as you can see, a long distance remains from our entry point to the last price minimum. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential to go down. Also, as you can see, the price showed an impulsive drop from the resistance level. On this impulsive downward movement, we'll try to earn, guys. Also, for this situation, I took 2 minutes with a margin, and let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, our deal closed below the entry point, and here we made a profit. 2 minutes in this situation was just perfect for us. The indicator also gave us a good entry point. Meanwhile, we already have $7,000 on my deposit, and I think that one more deal will be enough for us today. So, guys, let's continue. As you can see, after an impulsive price rebound from the resistance level, there is an upward pullback, and then the price continued to move down. At the moment, we are experiencing an upward price pullback. At the same time, the dotted line of the parabolic is located above the chart, so in such situation, guys, I will open a deal for 2 minutes down. Since also on the oscillator, the new peak of the histogram is located below, and we also have an intersection of the zero level. At the same time, as you can see, there is still a sufficient distance from our entry point to the last price minimum, and also the main price highs are noticeably decreasing. All this tells us that the price has a good potential to go down, and it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move down on a downtrend. So in this situation, we also took 2 minutes, guys, with you, taking into account that the price may still continue to move sideways, and only then it will go down. And let's wait for the result, guys. So, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price continued to move down a little bit, and here we made a good profit, guys. In this situation, 2 minutes was just enough for us. The indicators also suggested us a good entry point, and guys, just look at my balance. We have $13,000, and I think it's amazing because I fulfilled my trading plan just as I wanted. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Perhaps you might think that to trade with 2 indicators at once can be very difficult, but if you will train and trade, it will definitely work out for you. So, guys, try to turn on those indicators, find similar situations we had today on the market, and try to earn on them. Guys, I hope that you've already subscribed to this channel. Also, don't forget about your like, because it's super important for me. And also, guys, I want to remind you that I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals and they are totally for free. How to get into my closed group? Super easy. Text me code word signal and all the essential links will be down below. Guys, I wish you profitable deals and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.